This is my husband's weapon of choice.
Being yourself. Our environment, people, things, they shape us into who we are currently. From the music we listen to, the movies and TV shows we watch, that influence our style of clothes, that has influence on the way we behave. All of these things come from how we think in our minds.
I didn't mean to get weird there, sorry.
This was weird. It's fine.
Conditions we didn't create but shape us into who we believe we are. These environments destroy many of our true selves when we are young, and then we take on ideas and ways of thinking that aren't our own. And we then begin to confuse this with who we are. Most live and never find out who they ever were.